let's take a deeper look at these coins. How can we sort these coins? There's a variety of ways, isn't there? We could start by looking at the color. Some of them have two colors. Some of them are silver. These two are copper. We could also look at the size of the coins. You can see that every single coin has a different size. None of them are the same size as the other. We can look at the shape. Two of the coins have 7 sides. Can you see them there? The rest of them are all round. And then we can look at the words that are written on the coin. On some of them, we see the word pound or pounds. And on the others, we see the words pence, which is another word for pennies, pence. The coins all represent a value, and we're going to take a much deeper look at that in a little while. But it's important to note that the words on the coins help us understand the value, and that value relates to the place value as we investigated at the beginning of this video. We know that 10 ones can be exchanged for a 10. In the same way, we know that a 10 can also be exchanged for 10 ones. When we look at coins, we know that we can exchange some coins for other coins. So if you look at these 2 pennies, these can be exchanged for a 2 pence coin. Here are 5 pennies. We can exchange these 5 pennies for one 5 pence piece. Here is another 5 pence piece. 5 and 5 makes 10. 5p plus 5p is the same as 10p. So we can exchange our 2 5 pences for one 10p. Now we've got a 20p, which we can exchange for 2 10 pence pieces. 10p plus 10p is 20p. Now we're going to look at a 50 pence piece. Have a think for a second. How many 10 pence pieces could we exchange for this 50 pence piece? That's right. We could have 5 10 pence pieces in exchange for the 50 pence. And it also works the other way. We could exchange a 50 pence for 5 10 pence pieces. Now we're going to look at ordering our coins by value. Value is possibly one of the trickiest things to understand. We decide the value by looking at both the number and the words that are on the coin. The number, we know we can think about place value and which number comes first, but the words help us think about the value as well. We know that pennies make up pounds. So we start with our pennies, with our ones. So we've got 1 pence, then a 2 pence. Next, we're going to have a 3, because 1, 2, we don't have a 3 pence. There's no 3 pence coin, but we do have a 5 pence, then 10 pence, then 20 pence, and then 50 pence. So we have put those in order of value. So the last thing we're going to do is we're going to have a look at the £1 coin. Did you know, boys and girls, there are over 1,000 million £1 coins in circulation at the moment? So let's get to know it a little better. Is the value of a £1 greater than a 1 pence or 1 penny? Yes, it is. £1 is equal to 100 pennies. So is it greater than a 2 pence? Yes, it is. Is it greater than a 5 pence? Yep, it is. 100 is greater than 5. Is it greater than a 10 pence? Of course, and a 20 pence? Yep. And it's even greater than a 50 pence piece. 2 50 pences make up 100 pennies. Have a look at this screen. How many 5 pence coins can you see? Pause the video and complete the sentences. So, As you can see, there were 6 5p coins, there were 4 50p coins, there were 5 £1 coins, and there are 3 £2 coins.